What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Snapseed Fundamental. This is a series of video to explain how to use Snapseed, a free photo editing app to edit your photo. All the editing can be done with your mobile without downloading to the computer. In this video, we will look at how to edit a landscape photo, particularly to increase the intensity of the glow effect of the sun ray and to make the foreground pop. Let's get started. Let's open up the picture in the Snapseed tool. Once you get there, click the pencil icon and then choose Glamour Glow. That will bring you to another menu which shows you 5 presets. Each preset has a predetermined selection of the glow effects. You can pick any one of them if that is the result that you want. Or alternatively, click the icon with the arrow to the left and right to review the setting. Over here, you can adjust the glow, saturation, or warmth effect by sliding it to the left and right. In this case, I feel that one of the presets is good enough, so I click the style icon and go back to the previous menu. My choice is preset number 3. If you click the left-right arrow button, it will reveal the individual setting of this particular preset. I'm satisfied with the result of this preset, so I proceed to click the tick button to apply the changes. However, my intention is to apply this glow effect only to the sea and the sun, not to the greeneries. In order to do this, I click Edit Stack, followed by View Edits, and then pick Glamour Glow. Then the center icon to edit it. Now zoom into the picture and draw on the parts that I want to apply the glow effect, that is the sky and the sea. Click the tick icon to confirm, and the arrow at the left top corner to exit Glamour Glow. Now let's move on to open up another tool called Selective Tool to do the further editing. I'm going to use this tool to brighten up the sun ray. Zoom in, tap the part that is near to the sun ray. Slide to the right to increase the brightness of the sun ray. You can select other options by pushing it up and down. That means you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and structure. I'm not going to touch on the rest right now because I'm only interested in the brightness. What I'm going to do now is to adjust the area that I want to apply the brightness. This can be done by using 2 fingers, zooming into the area that you want to apply it. Now the brightness that I have adjusted is only applied to the area that is near to the sun ray. Then click the tick button to apply the changes. Besides the sun ray, I also want to brighten up the reflection. It can be done by using the same tool, the Selective Tool. So I open up the Selective Tool once more. And this time I tap on the reflection on the sea. And zoom in to only to the part of the image that I want to brighten up. And of course, slide to the right to increase the brightness. This time I slide down to other option, that is the contrast and the saturation, to adjust it to my level of satisfaction. Now that's the interesting part. If you tap again on where you're working at, it will reveal a copy and paste icon. Tap on the copy icon. Tap on other areas. And tap again the paste icon that reveal. You are now replicating the same effect at multiple areas. Tap the screen, tap the paste icon. Click the tick to apply the changes. Okay, we have increased the glow of the sun ray, we have brightened up the reflection of the sea. How about the greens in the foreground? I'll use the selective tool again to brighten up part of the foreground. Because now the sun ray is brighter and it should reflect on the foreground also. I use the selective tool to increase the brightness and the contrast. And I also increase the structure by sliding it down to structure and increase the intensity so that the trees at the foreground is now more well defined. Once I completed the first part, I'll do the same by doing the copy and paste to put the same setting to other parts that I want to brighten up. Click the Take button to save. I'm going to show you a bonus step before I exit. That is how to use the curve tool to make the grass greener. Open up the curve tools. There are 3 icons at the bottom. Select the one that's on the left, and then select green. Increase the curvature of the line to the top left to increase the intensity of green. Save the setting. Now go to Edit tab, View Edits, select Curves, highlight the grass in the foreground to make it greener, and click the Save button. Lastly, click Done to save the image. Let's take a look at the final result. Before and after. The sun is glowing, the water is shiny, the foreground is brightened up, and the grass is greener now. That's how to use Selective Tool and Glamour Tool. These are my favorite tools for landscape, especially with sunlight, reflection, and water. I've included the links to other videos in this Snapseed Fundamental series in the description section. Please check out these videos if you want to know how to use other editing tools in Snapseed. That's all for now, and I'll see you in other videos in the Snapseed Fundamental series. Thanks for watching.